Okay, in this tutorial we want to find the area of the region bounded by the curves x equals y squared and x minus 2y equals 3. So the first thing we want to do is actually graph it. X equals y squared is easy to graph, and so we will also make this in terms of x. So x equals 3 plus 2y. So graph it in terms of x. Okay, so we know x equals y squared. Y squared, if we say y equals x squared, it would produce a shape like this, but x equals y squared would be kind of like the opposite. So it would be something like this. And then 3 plus 2y, so if x is 0, you have negative 3 divided by 2, so you'd have some sort of a negative number, and it would be a straight line. So simply, this is just a general idea. So we want to find the area of the region bounded by the curve, so we want to find this area. And so the most important thing we need is this point and this point. And to get those 2 points, we would say y squared, this, equals 3 plus 2y. So y squared equals 3 plus 2y. So we can say that y squared minus 2y minus 3 equals 0. So we can go y. We can say negative 3 plus 1 equals 0, because y times y is y squared, negative 3 times 1 is negative 3, and y times negative 3 is negative 3, plus y times 1 is negative 2y. And so we know those 2 points will be y equals negative 1 and 3. So therefore this point right here would be negative 1 in terms of y, and this point would be 3. So equals y equals y. And to find the area in terms of dy, it's going to be right, this, minus left for dy. And so what we will do is, so our 2 points is negative 1, 3, and the one that's right is going to be this, so 3 plus 2y. Minus the one on left is this, so that's going to be y squared. It's important that this is in terms of dy. If it was in terms of dx, it's top minus bottom. But dy, it's right minus left. And all we need to do is, we can take the integral of it, or we can use a calculator. But the most important thing for this question is setting it up, which is going to be like this. And that's all we need to do.